Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just a new stock here that I come across in an article, and looks kind of interesting. Support.com, ticker is SPRT. You can see what it's done here over the last year, up over 1,100% in the last 3 months. If I can get my Robinhood to go, it's up over 611%, 227% in the last month, and the last week it's actually down of over 40%. And here's a look at last Friday. But overall, if you'd have got into this one, but again, ticker SPRT. And if you don't know what this one is, it's provides customer and technical support solutions delivered home-based employees. It provides cloud-based technology platforms to companies in multiple industry verticals and offers outsourced support services for service providers, retailers, and Internet of Things solution providers. Founded in 1997, 61.8 million average volume and a market cap of $582 million. And here is a look at their earnings. Next one is expected on November 4th after hours, and no ratings on this one. They got a couple articles here. Here's their actual website, support.com. Bitcoin miner Greenridge Generation Holdings and support.com announce merger agreement. So if you have a support.com, go ahead and list it in the comments, and when you got into it, what your cost basis is. That would be interesting to know. But it looks kind of like an interesting stock. I might pull the trigger and pick up a couple shares on it tomorrow. But transformative customer and technical support solutions, Internet of Things, expertise, omni-channel, advanced security. So a dynamic approach, global enterprises, leading businesses, professional service firms, and consumers achieve better outcomes with support.com. Inspiring leadership team, a global network of home-based employees, Internet of Things experts, and culture that can't be beat. Recognized leading with all-star results. So kind of an interesting company. What caught my attention on it was the Internet of Things. Tech support's always another one, and security software is always another one that catches my eye. So anything that people are going to be using in the future, everybody's on the computer. So here's why support.com stock skyrocketed 291% in the last month. This is dated 4 days ago, but still might be relevant to you, those that are still looking into support.com. Shares of support.com surged 291% in August, according to data from S&P Global Market Intelligence. The beaten down tech and customer support stock soared after it became the latest short squeeze target, favored by Reddit's Wall Street Bets discussion board. And here's a look at the support.com price percentage change from August running up to just on August 30th of 291%. It's been the year of the meme stock and surprising number of 2021's best performing equities. Other incredible performances to short squeeze and meme momentum, aided by investing focused social media communities. Support.com, a struggling business and weak outlook, attracted high short interest, and that primed shares for explosive gains as a rush or new investors suddenly decided they liked the stock. So like I said, if you have this one or any other information on this one that would be relevant to us making money on it, that would be appreciated as well. And so short sellers who placed bets against support.com had the tables turned as a swarm of investors turned bullish on the stock. The fast-rising share price spurred short sellers to cover the stock they had shorted, which had the effect of pushing the share price even higher. It was a huge win for Wall Street Bets and other investors who anticipated a squeeze, and Support.com could be headed into the beginning of the new era. And the company shareholders are set to vote on September 10th on a pending merger with Greenridge Generation. Greenridge is a New York-based Bitcoin mining company that owns power generation plant and is opening a new facility in South Carolina. Support.com restructuring post-merger and pivoting some of its capital and resources into cryptocurrency mining initiatives could provide a path back to sales growth that might otherwise be much more difficult to orchestrate. And this kind of goes over what's going to happen next. Company shares fell roughly 23% on the month's first day of the trading. Support.com now has a market capitalization of roughly $584 million and is valued at roughly 15 times its trailing 12-month sales. To put the company's business trajectory in context, the company's second quarter revenue came in at $11 million, down 34% year over year. The company ended the quarter with cash and short-term equivalents of $29.7 million and total assets valued of $39.7 million. Over here to Reddit, showing the pre-market chat, nothing there. Nothing at all in Reddit. Over here to StockTwits, currently at $21.95 with a low 52-week low of $1.62, high of $59.69, 20.84 million volume being traded. Pump this thing. There you go, pumping it. And me trying to fall asleep tonight. Everybody's going to be hyped. Should be an interesting day tomorrow in the market, since everybody's had a 3-day weekend. And I've seen different levels, $20 level, $10 levels, so we'll have to wait and see. And nothing here on tip ranks. But just come across this one, started looking into it, looked kind of interesting, so I thought I'd do a video and see who out there has this one. And if you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments along with any other information you care to share. And your cost bases would be interesting, and if there's any other stocks you want to take a look at, I'd be happy to look at those as well. And hopefully everybody out there had a great Labor Day, a great weekend as well. It should be a great week in the stock market. We'll see what happens. I'm looking forward to it. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.